This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving KLCK the permissions it needs so it can replace your lock screen. Open KLCK, create a new preset and pick blank or a template to speed setup. Once done, grant overlay and lock screen access when Android asks. Make sure KLCK is set as the default lock screen in system settings, otherwise your changes won't appear. This gets you straight into the editor, where you'll build the layout and assign functionality rather than fiddling with unrelated settings. Now design the lock screen. Add time, notification containers, music controls, and any images or custom text you want. Use layers to position elements precisely, drag, resize, and anchor to edges so they adapt to different screen sizes. Once done, set actions for taps and long presses, unlock, open an app, or trigger a preset via variables. You should test each control as you build so interactions feel natural. That prevents rework in the final polishing stage and keeps behavior predictable. Finish by polishing animations, fine-tuning touch regions, and previewing the preset in lock state to confirm everything works. Once satisfied, enable background refresh wisely and adjust battery settings so KLCK runs reliably. Test unlocking, music controls, and notifications across a restart. If the preset is non-responsive, first confirm all permissions and overlays, then disable battery optimizations for KLCK and restart the app or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.